Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an amazing deal to share with you. The Shinepro Toilet Cleaner buy one take one promo with a free air freshener and Crevice brush. Shinepro Toilet Cleaner is not just any toilet cleaner. It's affordable, fragrant, and most importantly, it does an excellent job in cleaning. Just apply it, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrub. You will be amazed at how it effortlessly removes stains and leaves your toilet bowl sparkling clean. And did I mention it's fragrant? The scent is so refreshing, it instantly transforms your bathroom. Now here's the best part. With the current promo, when you buy one Shinepro toilet cleaner, you'll get another one for free. So if you're looking for a toilet cleaner that's affordable, fragrant, and effective, I highly recommend the Shinepro Toilet Cleaner. And with the current buy one take one promo with a free air freshener and Crevice brush, it's a deal you don't want to miss. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always, keep your bathroom clean and fresh.